Hi guys, welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed my video channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get quickly the notifications. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to find your YouTube channel current subscribers in several ways. First of all, open your browser. Then type www.youtube.com on your address bar and hit enter. Then go to YouTube. On the right top of your browser you will see your channel. Then go to your channel. Under your channel you will find your channel name. By close to that you will your subscribers. I will tell you another way to find subscribers with details. If you want more details, go to top of your browser, you will see your channel. Then go to your channel. Under that, click on that YouTube Studio. There in Channel Analytics you can see your current subscribers and more details. Here you can see your recent subscribers. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again in another video. Thank you.